G'day guys, quick video today. I've got a, well, it could be a tip or a trick, I guess. Bumping the camera around. As to using graphical displays or any LCD with a ramp style 3D controller. I'll just get some scissors, I'll be back shortly. Okay, chances are that you buy a LCD unit off eBay, plug it into your ramps unit, and it does diddly squat. So what we're going to do is a quick tip and trick. It's a simple version of what's already out there. I find this is going to be an easier fix to get it working. 9 times out of 10, let's work. Oh, let's say it's worked 6 out of the 7 times I needed to use it. So in a typical kit, you get your ramps board, you can get your screen, and 2 IDC cables which have 10 pins. Let's see, 10 pins either side, and they're both female plugs. Whoop. Like that. Oh, in the shot, there we go. And there's 2 of them. The back of the LCD, whether it's a 128 by 64 graphical like this one is, or the 20 by 4 line character LCD, it doesn't really matter. They've got these ports in the back, EXP1 and EXP2. Chances are, when you plug them in, your screen or your LCD does not work, or if it does work, it does some weird shit and flickers or doesn't really display what you're intending it to display. The reason being is most of these LCD controllers, or the ramps board, don't know which way or which one is at fault. The EXP connectors are the wrong way around, meaning they've been put in. See the notch there, where it marries up with the knot with the little key on the IDC plug. 9 times out of 10, these sockets have been put in 180 degrees out of where they should be. Despite the markings on the silk screen on the PCB, they're just out. So my trick is, instead of changing the IDC cable, unclipping these little silly clips, risk of breaking them, you can undo this cable, turn the plug around 180 degrees, and then re-crimp it with an IDC connector crimping tool, which is a pain in the backside because not everyone has one. What I found is the easiest is you get some pliers and you grab the socket. Now these sockets are just pushed on the pins. That's all they are. I'll just lift up the socket side by side ever so gently. Now you do require a bit of force, but just be careful not to pull them off unequally because you can bend the pins and or break them. And you can see how that's lifting. So what we do is continue that. Just wiggle it off, just like that, and you're left with just the plastic socket. Some people like to unsolder these pins and the socket, turn it 180 degrees and just resolder it. What a pain in the backside. Simply just pull the plastic retainer off, turn it 180 degrees and push it back on. Just like that. So it faces opposite to the silk screen. Do that for both of them, EXP1 and EXP2. Bob's your uncle. Thanks.